up everybody, welcome back to the video. What's up everybody, welcome back to the video here on Chanel's channel. So today we have something fun and very indulging for you guys to be doing today. I have come up with over 100 things to do while being at home, to make the best of it, to be productive, to get what you need to get done and move on with life. I'm always trying to think of random stuff to do because I'm really getting bored at the house, to be quite honest. So I'm gonna add actually 3 or 4 more things to this list because I want you guys to make sure and stay safe. 1, wash your hands. You guys have heard people tell you guys over and over, but it's very important to wash your hands, especially when you're going to eat, when you're going to do something at home, or whatever the case may be. You don't want to contract that virus and then spread it everywhere around the house because you're probably living with other people, you're not alone. So just be mindful of that. 2, use hand sanitizer when you go out. I know you're not able to wash your hands, but using hand sanitizer is very important. And also wear your mask. Right now it's mandatory to use masks going into stores, going into different places. So make sure and have your mask on. It not only protects you, but it protects somebody else just in case you may be carrying the virus. You never really know in these times. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you do enjoy videos like these, and maybe we'll make a part 2, or maybe not. I don't know. This video take a long time to make. Okay, it's very creative and spontaneous. You have to think a lot of things. So yeah, I know about a part 2, but don't forget to like this video, comment, and let me know what you guys have been doing at home because I'm running out of stuff to do. I mean, thank God I still have a job and I'm still working, but I'm running out of stuff to do. So let me know in the comments down below what you have been doing, what you have been enjoying, and maybe I'll try it next time. Yeah, so enjoy, and I'll see you in the other hundreds, thousands, and millions of videos that I'm making here on YouTube. Let's go. Okay, you want to make sure and measure yourself because more than likely you're going to start a workout program and you want to take measurements of before and after to know if there's any type of progress while working out. You will definitely want to remove any nails that you had on prior to quarantine because God alone knows when we're going to open back up and you know your nails are falling off and cracked and just a mess. So just take it all off. Ladies and gentlemen, please learn how to cook. It's a very great skill to have and know how to cook for yourself or your family. Please take at least 30 minutes in the morning to meditate, read your Bible, pray, and relax because God alone knows how important it is, and especially at this time, to do so. Start doing some facial scrubs. I find when I do facial scrubs, it helps a lot with my hyperpigmentation. It takes off that dead layer of skin to the top and your skin becomes smooth, nice, and so clear. Read through your old notes, your old diaries, and see how far you've become in life. Try doing your own nails yourself. You will be shocked how much skills you have when it's time to do what you need to do, okay, to look good. Try using new tools on your natural hair or your hair in general. Can't guarantee it'll work, but try it. Definitely try cutting your hair. I have a video coming out with my fiance, cutting my fiance hair, so you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and see how it turns out. Fold wontons, fry wontons, wash up some dishes. Show support to your favorite YouTubers and watch their videos. Also, reply to all the comments, the great comments that you guys have been leaving. I really do appreciate you guys. Try new makeup techniques. You never know, might work. Do some hair reviews. You might help someone find a bomb new product. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Definitely take the time out to subscribe. I'll appreciate it. Show support to your followers and your following. Be interactive. Read up on books on how to maintain your money, and especially at this time, and definitely take some notes, guys. Take some notes so you guys will remember. Take some shoe pictures because that's really all you got to do. Shop for some lingerie. Boohoo have my favorite set of lingerie. Definitely check them out. Do a pedicure or manicure home, guys. It went wrong. It went terribly wrong. Bother your fiance. Do a facial mask. Facial mask feels so good. It relaxes you. Go for a nice little stroll around the house. Delete all the junk on your computer and make it clean, clear, and calm. Please. It's definitely worth it. Do your own gel manicures and pedicures. Go through your emails, delete what you don't need, and just keep it moving. Let your mom braid your hair. It helps. Do a protective style. And if you don't like her braiding, do your own braiding, do your own twists, do your own braids. Take some selfies at home that probably will never make it on the gram. Get in your car and act like you're going somewhere. Pray that this virus is over. Do your resume. Best time to sharpen up on your resume and send it out to a lot of people out there. People are still hiring, so definitely send out your resume. Take pictures at home. Follow your girl at Taylor Chanel on Instagram. Clean your shower curtain, something that we rarely do, and just put it back up. Do a deep conditioning on your hair. And you should definitely shave before you do these type of videos. Bother your siblings.
Chanel.
Do your makeup. Even though you're not going anywhere, it makes you feel so much better when you get your makeup done and you look so pretty. Try listening to some podcasts. I love listening to Joyce Myers and even TD Jakes. He's really good. Try doing videos and then be harassed by your father and your sister. Write down new goals, new dreams. Write a poem. Take an online class, a free online class at Harvard. Have your mom take your Instagram pictures because you still need to put out content. Do workouts at home. Do any programs that you guys do enjoy. Please stay focused and like this video. Yeah. Go through all those free perfume samples that you have collected throughout the years and see which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and throw out the ones that you don't like. Do some work. Guys, whoever's getting paid to do work at home, please don't take advantage of your company and actually sit and do the work that they are asking and requiring you to do. Wash your hair. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Speak positive, good things about yourself to keep you focused and motivated and going throughout these trying times. Take pictures in the car because that's all you're gonna be doing. Vacuum. Try old products that you found in your closet. Maybe go swimming. Try new products. Eye masks. Those things help you sleep so well at night. Clean out your secret stash of natural hair stuff. It is crazy how many stuff I have in there. Please ignore the mess. It is a hoarder's problem. Trust me, I threw out half those things. Don't judge me. Watch your favorite Netflix shows. Try not to binge watch as much as possible, but just watch a few episodes ever so often just to relax and take your mind off stuff. Go wig shopping. I find it very, I don't know what the word is, very relaxing when I shop for wigs. Do some cute boomerangs that you probably will never post on your IG. Sleep. Definitely find time to sleep. Make a list of the 100 things that you need to do for this video. Watch ants, see where they go, see what they do. Very interesting thing. Try on some of those wigs that you've been looking at for the longest while. Have someone follow you along with a new gimbal to test out. Try drinking healthy. I was drinking celery juice. Didn't taste as good as it looks, guys. But it's good for you. Get your hair braided. One less thing to worry about every day. Wash all that laundry that you have been piling up for the longest while. Clean your closet, guys. This is the perfect time to clean out all the clothes that you don't need, okay? Just get rid of it. Don't forget to do your regular skincare routine to protect your skin from the sun, even though you might be going out. Wash all your jeans that you just distressed. Do a try on haul on the pieces that you just shop for online, even though you're not going anywhere. Take a shower. You guys might forget, but please take showers. Take out the braids that you recently put into your hair because you pretty much got tired of it. Play some video games. As you guys can clearly see, I have no idea what I was doing. I was just clicking buttons, okay? That's pretty much it. Put your foot inside the pool and do some TikToks with your sister. Distress some jeans that you already thrifted from Goodwill before this quarantine went down. Use some apple cider vinegar and some clay to cleanse your hair. Try new and exciting, innovative techniques to get your hair in a different style. Go through some old family albums. Delete from the list that you already have accomplished for this 100 list of things to do. Do your homework. Delete all the junk pictures that you have off of your phone. YouTubers, bloggers, this is the perfect time to do the most editing that you need to be doing right now. No excuses. Try a new hobby. Try painting. Do a bucket list for 2020 because eventually this world will open back up and everybody will be okay. Oh, and subscribe. Floss, brush, and please mouthwash and learn more TikTok dances. Yeah, get it. Learn the piano. Try polygel. As you guys can see, I think I did a really good job, if I must say so myself. Take pictures with your best friend. Take street photography because technically ain't nobody in the streets now. Moisturize and protect your braids. Charge the batteries for your cameras. You wouldn't want that to run out on you. Guys, take your vitamins. Take your daily vitamins, your zinc, and your vitamin C. And of course, do the voiceover for this recording.